Welcome to Math with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this question, so we have sin a minus b is equal to half and cos a plus b is equal to half. A is greater than b is the hint. When we get sin of what is equal to half, so from our trigonometric value, we know that sin 60 is root 3 by 2, but sin 30 will give us 1 by 2. So, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So, I can write here sin 30 is 1 by 2. So, what this means for us? This implies a minus b is nothing but 30 degree. So, we can see here a minus b is 30 degree. Similarly, I can call this as equation 1. Cos of a plus b is half. When cos will be half for me, cos 60 degree is half for me. So, cos 60 degree, so that is where we have to remember the formulas, or you follow the method I have taught you how to memorize the angles of these trigonometric angles in my video. So, you can go and see that. You will get the easy hint how you can remember the formula. Here a plus b is 60 degree. So, we can see this here 60 degree and a plus b. We got two equations. Now, we know how to solve them. Simultaneous equation they are. So, we can easily solve these two. Now, we say from 1 and 2. A minus b is equal to 30 degree. A plus b is 60 degree. Plus b minus b goes. So, 2a is equal to 90 degree. So, a is 90 by 2, which will give us 45 degree. So, a is 45 degree. Hint is there, a is greater than b. So, b must be lesser. So, you can pick any of the equation here and substitute. So, from 1, which says a minus b is 30 degree. So, a minus 30 degree will give us b. So, a we have 45 degree minus 30 degree, which is 15 degree, which is nothing but b. Therefore, b we get 15 degree. We got both a and b. A is 45 degree, b is 15 degree.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this sum, we have given tan of a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. We have know that tan 60 is root 3 and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So, here I can write tan 60 degree is equal to root 3 and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So, this shows that a plus b is equal to 60, a minus b is equal to 30. So, this implies a plus b is equal to 60 degree, equation 1. This implies a minus b is equal to 30 degree, equation 2. So, now we use the two equation by elimination method. We can solve these two. Now, from 1 and 2, a plus b is equal to 60 degree, a minus b is equal to 30 degree, b get cancelled, 2a is equal to 90 degree. So, a is 90 degree by 2, 45. Therefore, a is 45 degree. By any of the equation, we can find the value of b also. So from 1, A plus B is 60 degree and B is 60 degree minus A. B is 60 degree minus 45 degree. So 5, 1, 15 degree. So B we are getting. Therefore, B is equal to 15 degrees.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.